Can you say thank you, Grandma Nancy?
No, that's not for you. This. Is that Eeyore? Can you give him a kiss?
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
You open it. Look, put your finger in here and do it. Right here. Good job. Okay, now in here. Go in here. Good job. Pull.
Say thank you, Grandma.
You need some help? Pull right here. Pull right here. Ooh. What is that? What is that? Yeah, Winnie the Pooh. And who's that? Piglet. That's right. Emma. And what does this say? Look. Emma. What's this? What's this say? What's that say? What, Emma? Look at the letters. What does that say? E-M-A. That's right. E-M-M-A. Do you want to try your shirt on? It's a shirt. Do you want to put the shirt on?
No.
No, not now. You can play with Eeyore for now. Look at Daddy. Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.